Welcome back to my kitchen. If you are enjoying my recipes, do share it with your friends, and also a big shout out to those who have tried cooking them. Well, today I am going to prepare a lip-smacking Naga style fresh bamboo shoot chutney, simply called Bastenga chutney. In this chutney, we are going to use grated fresh bamboo shoots, which gives a delicious savory and crunchy texture. Now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Grated bamboo shoots, fermented dry fish which I have rinsed it thoroughly multiple times in cold water, salt, green chilies, khar or baking soda, finely chopped garlic cloves, and red chili powder. Boil 2 cups of water in a pan. Once boiling, add the dry fish, salt, khar or cooking soda, and fresh green chilies. Stir it well and let them boil for 10 minutes on a low flame. Once the chilies look cooked, scoop them out in a mortar and pound it. Add the roughly pounded chili paste into the pan. Now add the grated bamboo shoots and let it cook on a low flame until the water almost dries out. This should take around 10 minutes. Now add a little bit of red chili powder for the color and give it a quick stir. Once the chutney is almost ready, add your finely chopped garlic cloves and mix them well. Voila! Our chutney is ready to be served. The chutney is really spicy and a great appetizer. The flavor of the fermented dry fish comes through beautifully without overpowering the other ingredients. Our Bastenga chutney goes really well with traditional pork gravy and steamed rice. And if you enjoyed this recipe, do smash the like button and see you next week.